welcome to another Creative Campfire. I'm Susan Riley, and I'm joined by my daughter again, Emma. And what are we doing tonight, Emma?
So tonight we're going to do a project called What Can You Find? So it's really simple, it's really short, and it's really creative.
I don't even need to be your host anymore, folks. She has taken over. That's all good. Okay, so what materials do we need for this?
So these are really basic materials. You just need one sheet of paper.
Mm-hmm.
It can be any color you want. Today we're happening to use white paper. If you want to use pink paper or green paper.
Anything,
yeah.
Right? Okay.
You need a pencil.
Just one.
And you need a medium if you want.
And remind people what a medium is.
A medium is something like colored pencils, markers, watercolor. It's something that you create with to draw or something like that.
Okay.
So
tonight you're using colored pencils?
Yes.
But people could use markers and crayons.
Oil pastels, watercolor, acrylic paint, tempera paint.
Anything you've got at home.
Yep.
Right? Okay.
Okay.
All right. So what's the first step?
So the first step, and this might sound a little bit odd, but you're going to take your paper and you're going to scribble.
Scribble?
Yes.
Okay.
Scribble. I know everybody's told color in the lines, do neatly, but no. Today we're going to be scribbling.
All right,
okay?
So show us what you mean. Show us what you mean by scribble.
We're literally just going around the paper, scribbling. This is also really great for young kids.
Because she's so old, my friends. That's all good. Okay, I'm just teasing. This is welcome to our relationship. All right, so after you get done scribbling all over your paper, and can I just demo just one thing here? Can I just point out, I like how you've gone all the way to the edges. That it's not just in the center, but that you've used almost the entire page, Emma.
And it's really random. Don't try to make stuff out of your scribbles.
Right.
Just do it randomly.
Okay.
Next, we're going to take your medium, colored pencils, markers, anything that you have. We are going to take it and you're going to color in anything that you find in your scribbles.
What do you mean by that?
Like if you can see a fish in your scribbles, that you've happened to make like a loop in your scribbles that looks like a fish, color it in.
Oh, can I?
If you
I see one.
Mickey
Can I
Mouse.
color it in?
Yes.
Okay.
Any color.
So, for example, this kind of looks like a fish to me.
Yeah.
And I'm actually going to go this way so that I can color. So I can color this whole thing in, right?
Yep.
Okay. And I'm doing a terrible job of coloring.
It's creative.
It's creative, yes, but maybe that's my fish.
Yeah, and then it also depends on who's coloring, because to me, if you take that as the head and that as the body, it kind of looks like a duck.
That's true. So how would you,
Like
could you
bird.
add to it so that it looked like a duck?
Yeah, you could.
I mean, I made it into a fish, but could I add an eye and a gill if I wanted to into that scribble?
Yeah, if you can find one.
Oh, I have to find one?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's okay. I
draw
can
it.
find one. Here, look. Wait. Use a colored pencil that has a point to it. Here's a gill.
Yeah.
Can I add a dot for an eye if I wanted?
Sure.
Or is that against the rules? There are no rules?
in creating.
Okay. All right. So go ahead. Your turn. Find
Okay.
something.
So, let's see. And this can be really, really hard sometimes, because sometimes you can't find anything. But
Could you make something if you can't find something in the scribbles?
whatever you want. Or kind of like a
It's kind of like a Where's Waldo, but in your scribbles.
Yeah.
And you get to decide what you see.
Yeah, you get to decide where's Waldo.
I love this activity. I think this is really cool. Could you use different colors?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can swap out.
Oh, that's fun. That's a good one.
I like this color.
Yeah.
Let's see. Hey, I found one.
What'd you find?
I found a mouse.
You found a mouse?
Yeah.
Oh, that's going to be fun. While she's doing this, my friends, if you are doing this with your children, this is a great activity to do collaboratively. It is so fun to be able to take turns. And I think a nice extension to this is to kind of build off of one another. So somebody finds something and then you get to take a turn and either extend it or draw details in it or find something else that's related to it. There are so many ways that you could do this that is so
It's a
fun.
mouse.
Oh, I do see that is a mouse. You probably going to want to add an eye so
Yeah,
that we can tell that that is a mouse.
Remember, color pencils with a point.
With a point. That's right. So that's what I like about doing this one together.
Yeah.
But if you're just by yourself, this is a fun activity to do as well because you never know what you're going to find in there.
Yeah.
In the scribbles.
That's the joy of creativity. It's all, you never know what's going to happen. Like, you might go into something having an idea of what's going to happen, but you never truly know what's going to happen.
I agree.
So,
I
especially with this, because it's so random with all your scribbles.
Yeah. So again, we want to see what you find in your scribbles. So make sure that you hashtag Creative Campfire, and so that we can see what you've created, retweet, reshare, because I think just spreading more creativity during this time is what we all need.
Spread the joy.
Spread the joy. That's right. Thank you so much for joining us for tonight's Creative Campfire. We will see you soon.